Good morning, friends. So this past Friday evening here at the Gardener's Workshop, we had our annual picnic, family picnic. I mean, all the team comes, they bring their family, except of course we still have some remote workers that weren't able to be here. But anyway, so we do this every summer. The whole team comes to the farm. We usually play a game, and we have like amazing prizes and gifts. I mean, this year we had stuff like, we had a Weber grill, we had 2 of these amazing collapsible wagons. I mean, we had tons of stuff. So it's really a lot of fun. But what I wanted to share with you is a story that one of the team members wrote about me and starting the farm. And it was the story that we played a game by, because we were passing stuff to the left and to the right, so that's why you're going to hear that a lot. I want to read it to you. But I really wanted to highlight this because, friends, we are hiring at the Gardener's Workshop. We are looking for a local team member to join our warehouse team that is here in Newport News, a Monday through Thursday job. And if that at all interests you, email your resume to info@thegardenersworkshop.com. We are a super group of people. But we need more help. We're growing, y'all. Okay, so I'm going to read you this story. And Susie, who is my executive assistant and is in head of operations at the warehouse, wrote this for us to do the game. I was so surprised. I had no idea she was doing it. All right, I'm going to read it to you. Sometime before 1998, Lisa left the doggy world to pursue her dream of starting her own cut flower growing business. While she was right where she needed to be, her flower story started earlier than that when she met Mr. Right. Steve's family had left them with a beautiful property full of hydrangeas and a very large vegetable patch. Growing anything is right hard work, but Steve and Lisa left no seed unsown. Lisa went right to work alongside Steve, taking care of the vegetable patch. As their vegetables grew, Steve noticed flowers growing to the left and the right of their vegetables. Right next to the squash was a zinnia. Right next to the beans were more zinnias. To the left of the tomatoes were even more zinnias. Actually, flowers were popping up left and right. Eventually, the flowers took over the vegetable patch, and Steve was only left with a few rows for his corn and other veggies. Growing the flower farming business was tough work, and it left Lisa hot and tired many days, but she had all the right stuff she needed to be a flower farmer. She pushed on and figured out the right way to make this dream come true. Soil blocking was transformative for her and left her so much more room to start seeds. She discovered the right ways to grow and nurture flowers on her farm. She had all right ingredients to create the Gardener's Workshop. Along with having the right man by her side, she never left her sister alone and pulled her into the flower story. They went to farmers markets, which left them exhausted, but they had many adventures together that left wonderful memories. They were on the right track to grow TGW to what it is today. Everything fell right into place to be the great company that it is today. Is that not the sweetest thing ever, y'all? So that's the story that Susie, one of our team members, wrote for our annual company picnic here on the farm this past Friday, and everybody brings their families. And again, we all voted last year that we wanted a game indoors this year because it was so hot last year, and it was hot as blazes this year. So we played the game. Everybody got just amazing. I mean, we have gift cards, and I mentioned earlier a Weber grill and these great collapsible wagons and those collapsible chairs, and we just had a lot of great fun stuff. Anyway, so Susie wrote that story to be the game of passing the numbers back left and right. And so, friends, as I mentioned earlier, we are hiring here at the Gardener's Workshop. Join our team. We're looking for a warehouse associate. It's a Monday through Thursday job. The warehouse isn't open on Fridays or weekends. And we're located in Newport News, Virginia. And that job would mean a lot of seed packing. We package all of our own seeds, packaging products, receiving, and so it's really a lot of fun on top of working. We really try to create, my goal is to create a culture where people want to come to work. It's satisfying, it's rewarding, you feel like you can contribute ideas, and it's just, we would love to have you. So if you're interested in a Monday through Thursday job here in Newport News, Virginia, no previous warehouse experience required, but you have to have a great can-do attitude and a good attitude and be willing to work alongside people that love coming to their job every day. And so we love it. So email info@thegardenersworkshop.com. If you're interested, send your resume there, and then Susie will reach back out to you. So friends, I think that's all I want to say. And I'll see you tonight. Tonight's another masterclass, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. If you have not registered for When Do You Plant Cool Flowers, join me tonight. Last night was a huge success. We had tons of people, and we just had such affirmations. So you can actually sign up for the free live masterclass tonight by commenting spring here. And I would love to see you tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And I'm thinking the second time is going to be ramped up based on, I did it last night, right? So it's going to be great, y'all. All right, friends, till we meet again. If you want to join our team, info@thegardeners workshop. If you want to join my free live masterclass, just comment spring here, and that'll DM you the link to register. You have to register to get the link, and also to go to the email once you get it and print out the little one-page PDF I made. Answer the top 3 questions, super easy. I tell you where to get the answers if you don't know where they are. And bring that to the webinar tonight, and I'm going to rock your world, people. It is going to change spring for your flower farm. So see you tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you want to join my team, email your resume to info@thegardenersworkshop.com. Ciao.